Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacob Carter, but you guys can call me Mr. J if you'd like. I know I haven't really been on a lot lately. I haven't recorded any videos for a couple weeks. And the main thing is, well, here, let me just show you this. Okay, so my recording on what I'm recording on, it has been like making my videos really grainy. So instead of making it really smooth from like what I've been used to or whatever, um, it's been like the quality is horrible. So after fixing all of that, this is what it's gonna look like. So I essentially I just fixed my recording. So but yeah, but today that's not what I was going to post a video about, just to explain why I haven't been uploading, I guess. That's not what I was going to do. I'm actually going to do a room tour, but I'm not happy with my room, so I'm going to go clean that real quick. I guess enjoy the montage of me cleaning. Now that all that's over with, I can finally show you guys what my room looks like. And yes, I'm carrying my mic because I don't have a good enough camera. Okay, so let's start with what you guys already been seeing. This part. So, okay, so over here we have. You guys a little closer. Okay. We have a rose that I made this year. It's okay. I made it out of metal. I have a whole row shelf thing of stuff. My wallet and keys go in the ceramic bowls that I made. I have my Nissan GTR car that I bought from somewhere. And then I have a car that I made in welding. Don't mind the bottom, actually. Don't look at that. But yeah, it reminds me of the DeLorean off of Back to the Future. I almost said Fast and Furious. Yeah. So yeah. Anyway, just boring old stuff. I have a screen protector for my Nintendo Switch that has been neglected. On this side, I have where things get a little bit more interesting. I have my Nintendo Switch that I sometimes play. I have my wireless controller that goes to my PC. I have a Nintendo controller that goes to my Nintendo. I have a wireless speaker because my monitors don't have speakers on them, and I usually just use my headset anyways. But yeah, then I have a wall of knives surrounding my first rows that I made 3-ish years ago, 2 to 3 years ago. Then just a bunch of random stuff, cluttered shelf stuff. Some more cars over there. My first keyboard, my first mouse that go together, and then my first actual gaming mouse. Okay, then down here I have my Oculus Quest and the 2 controllers that I recently got like about 2 weeks ago or so. I don't know. Then I have a nightstand that I made. Here's my bed. And here's the backward. There's the tassel that I graduated high school with. There we go. Tassel. But yeah, and then let's see, I have a closet over there of clothes, and then over here I have a second closet of just random stuff. Kind of dirty, but I have Disney Infinity 1, 2, and 3 with all those action figures, and I have 1 fan and 2 fans with my my longboard. Here's my PC. I have nothing is sponsored, but I have a GeForce RTX Gigabyte 3060. Okay, so I have the graphics card. Liquid cooling, of course. I have a 750 PSU. And then, like 1, 2, 3 case fans. And then, yeah, there's my motherboard. Don't really know what else to talk about the PC. As far as my keyboard and mouse goes, I have a wireless Logitech G502 Lightspeed with the unlockable and lockable scroll wheel, so I can legit just go. Yeah, pretty cool. Then I have a Razer Black Widow Mini 60 technically 65% with yellow switches because, you know, they're quiet, they're really easy to press. But yeah. And then we don't have to talk about this corner over here. I was in a hurry to make this video. Then I have 2 Samsung monitors, both 60 hertz. It's just cheap, like $30 monitors. Then of course I have my coaster for any drinks I have in here while I'm gaming. And then I have right above me, I have a Gravity Falls poster, and over here, wow, that looks. Over here, I have a Joker thing. And then yeah, here's you guys. Can't really see that. Exposure is kind of bad right here. Oh, and then yeah, I have 2 desk mats on my actual desk. This was given to me by Ragez, Aiden, whatever you guys want to call him. This made well, anyway guys, that's the end of this episode. Hope you guys enjoy the content, and let me know if you guys want me to start recording on the Oculus, because I've been thinking about it. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like down below, leave a comment, and make sure you guys subscribe, and yeah. Without further ado, goodbye.